The base of your mosaic is determined by the application. Since this mosaic is a kitchen splash, I decided to put the mosaic right on the backer board that you put tile on to put a splash in a kitchen. And this is what the backer board looks like. You buy it in 4 by 8 foot sheets at a hardware store. And it's got these lines that run through it, so it's easy to cut, and you cut it with a saw. And these are the 4-inch tiles that I'm going to mosaic and place into. So when I do it, I'll have the backer board on the wall, and there will be 4-inch holes cut in the backer board where these mosaic tiles will fit right into those holes.